I'm so excited because I just got my box from Pair Eyes, and so I just got my box from Pair Eyes, and Pair Eyes is a company that does eyeglasses, and I'm about to unbox them, and you're going to see so many fun things that I can't wait to share with you. So here's the box. Well, it comes in this kind of box, but here's the box, and I'm opening it up. There's a instruction manual here. Pretty little box. It comes in looking like this, and you open that up, and I'm pulling out this here. So I'm pulling out my glasses. So I like to have fun to change them. So I haven't seen them on. So here we go. Oh, ooh, I love them. Oh, look at that. Don't they look? They look. Ooh, I love it. I could see. So here's with the magic with Pair Eyes. So you can order these additional frames. So notice, so here I am, and now I can put this on, and there's my sunglasses. Check me out, I'm a star. But I also ordered some others, so let's do some other unboxing to see what else is here. Okay, so here's so much of the fun. So these are like a tortoise. So I don't have anything like that. And then I can put these on. And now I have these beautiful red ones. Isn't that cute? I love them. And then I ordered, ooh, this is so that I can get a little bit wild. Wow. So check those out. Oh my God, I love them. Don't you love them? Oh my gosh, you have to put it in a comment. Tell me which is your favorite. And then I have, so I love these. I love these, but here's why I love these so much. So if I put it close, and let me see if you can see it. It's like women, all the women, Batgirl, everybody from Marvel, all the women that are a little bit more. So I have Wonder Woman, Batgirl, Catwoman, Supergirl, Superwoman. Oh, so this is my ta-da! I'm a Superwoman. I love this. So much fun. And then I also got these. I thought these were kind of cool. So it's all in this. So I want to know which is your favorite. So number one, the regular tortoise, the gray. Oh, my tiger, kind of. The red. Oh my God, I love these. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Woman of Power. And my sunglasses. Can't wait to hear your comments and read your comments. So again, it's Pair Eyes. I put a link in my comments so you could link up, go see what there are. These are actually made for, they started out as a kids company, so they have all kinds of children's, tons of children's things that they could put on top. If you're a sports fan, they have all kinds of sports and NFL and baseball and all that stuff. If you love Harry Potter, they have those kind of frames that you could put on. So you just buy the frame and then you buy these, and these run like 25 bucks. So can you imagine? I could do this and change my whole thing. I love it. Hope you enjoyed this. Bye.